I am so thrilled to be teaching my first in-person workshop since the start of the pandemic, and my very first ever here in Fort Worth, Texas, where I relocated at the end of 2020. It's called Meet the Inner Teacher. It's a course that I've taught many times. It's specially made for people who are starting a new meditation practice and need a little help getting through some of those initial obstacles, who need some resources to make sure that they continue to show up to sit and they know what to do when they sit down to meditate. Um, it runs every Monday night in April, so at 4 sessions. It's a really perfect amount of time for you to be in development and be kind of talking to me, checking in with me, and we can troubleshoot. But by the end of April, you should be well on your way to self-guide with great confidence, clarity, and enthusiasm.